Welcome back. As you can see, this just showed up and I'm now gonna dig into it. The box is a bit damaged, although I'm gonna take it to my room. So as you all know by the title of the video, this is the mysterious engine. I'm just gonna rip it open, screw it. Oh. Hold on one sec. Yes, by the title of the video, it is very odd, isn't it? And you all know the thumbnail too. Let's see if I got it. Good, it's still rolling. Ooh. Oh, this is heavy. Yep, that's empty. Alright. Time to unwind bubble wrap. As you all know, this is a very, very special locomotive. It's quite famous in the country where I live. So, I've been waiting nearly 2 weeks for this. I don't know what was taking it so long, but it's finally here. Guess I can't get it out like this. Look at this. Now let's look at the, where is it? There it is. Norfolk and Western J-Class 611. Let's open the box. And it's upside down. Right, okay. Oh my god, guys. Look how huge this thing is. Oh my god, this is huge. This is 611. Okay. Right, I am going to get this out as carefully as I can. Okay, here we go. This. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Is the tender connected to it? Yes, it is. Careful. There we go. Holy crap, this thing is so huge. Look how big this thing is. Holy crap. Oh, it's got the bell on top. So this must be the more older livery, because the real 611 has a bell right down here. Okay, I'm gonna get the box out of the way. Alright, let's look at this real quick. What's this? Oh, it's not in shot. Huh. I guess this must be extra detail, but yeah. Oh, I might have to. Sorry, I got cut out. I cut it out by mistake. I might have to look at this at some point in the future, but yeah, for some reason, I really don't want to dig into this right now. Now let's look at the engine. So yes, this is Norfolk and Western's J-Class 611, as you can see on the tender there. These guys are very famous, and I don't know how famous, but they're pretty famous. These things run up in from the north part of North Carolina to Virginia, and these guys were built in Virginia at around the early 40s, and they were built without the shrouding and the lightweight rods, which means these guys were built without the streamlining at first. That's some camera lens, or not lens, viewfinder. But yeah, and I did hear by 1950, when 611 was built, they were all streamlined. And this, see what this is. That is absolutely awesome. And here's something really amazing to hear. Get this, the J-Class locomotives were designed and built by Norfolk and Western employees. How's that for a bit of railway history right there, people? How's that for a bit of railway history? That is something very, very unusual. I'm not going to go into detail on this. I'm just going to see how well this runs. I hope it runs. Please let it run. So yeah, this is my first US locomotive since 2017. I haven't gotten a steam locomotive, US steam locomotive, in so long. Hold on. Yep. Okay. Oof. It's got so many driving wheels, and it's got so many wheels. This is my first ever 484 locomotive ever. Oh man, this thing is so big. God, look how... Now I can't get over how big this thing is. Okay. Will it run? It says... Whoops. It says it's DCC on board, so... This must be my first ever DCC locomotive, so I hope it runs. Fingers crossed. Oh my god, it's moving. Holy crap, no way. Oh my god. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving, mate. Looks like we have some track disconnecting, mate. Probably shouldn't have taught like that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just getting too excited. I don't know how that happened. I'm gonna fix that. But holy crap, guys, this thing is amazing. Oh my god. I'm so happy I own a J-Class now. Look at those rods. So awesome. Here she comes, about to thunder down the main line. There she is. Oh, she looks gorgeous. I'm not sure where that clicking sound is. I have a feeling it might be something to do with the rods. I think I might have to check in on that. But yeah, she works. That's all that matters, is that she works. And she is so huge. Let's see if I have enough space to see if I can see if I can find a link to her. See if she's the biggest engine in my collection. So give me a bit and I'll be right back. Okay, having a little bit of fun with 611. Now let's see how long this thing is. Whoa, look at this, people. Look at that. That's an A4 right there. This is a Pacific. Look how huge this thing is. Okay. Time for the P2. Okay, 611 is right here, and I have the P2 just behind the camera. It's only out of shot. Let's see. No way. Holy crap. Guys, look. Look at this. Holy crap, man. Oh my god. This thing is so huge. Look at it. I knew it was going to overtake the P2. I knew it was. Wow, that is just mind blown right there. So yes, now the P2 used to hold the crown as the biggest locomotive in my collection. Now the crown is now handed down to 611 for being the biggest locomotive I own in my collection by far. Yeah, even if you don't live in the United States, you have to get one of these. This thing is just so amazing, guys. You just have to get one. I've been waiting for nearly 2 weeks for this because of all the bad weather the United States have been having lately, such as tornadoes down on the East Coast and whatnot. But yeah, the wait was already worth it. It's so worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the video here, and I'm gonna have fun with my new toy. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Nope. There it goes. Don't worry, 611. I'll get some Norfolk and Western coaches for you, especially that auxiliary water tender. I'll definitely get that. All right. See you guys later.